We are here in the great campus of Prabhat Kids School. You all know that nowadays there is a scarcity of water. Many people has taken the step to conserve the water. One step is also taken by the Prabhatians, the drainage system. Have you ever think the wastewater with a bad smell which comes from the kitchen would have got suddenly changed into the refreshing aroma of flowers? I have not thought that, but now we are going to see that system. You might have seen different gardens, but the garden which is present in Prabhat Kids School is very different. Not only garden, but there is also a farm. Today, we visited the drainage gardening system of Prabhat Kids School. The wastewater which comes from the kitchen is used directly to water the plants and trees. By this, the drainage also gets used in a different way. The Madibhav, worker of Prabhat Kids School, has taken the initiative of drainage gardening.
किचन मधून जे वेस्टेज पाणी किंवा कचऱ्यापासून बनवलेले आणि ड्रेनेज पाणी जमा करून पूर्ण फुलझाडांना व गुरांच्या चाऱ्याकरता वापरतो. त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला फायदे असे आहेत की आपला परिसर सुद्धा चांगला राहतो, गाईला सुद्धा चारा मिळतो, फुलझाडे सुद्धा चांगले निघतात आणि घाण सुद्धा निघून जाते.
So this was one of the measures to reuse the wastewater. If like these systems are adopted by every school, so we can conserve and recycle the water. The wastewater which comes from the kitchen with the bad smell has got suddenly changed into the refreshing fresh aroma of flowers. And the Prabhatians had successfully did this. This is Sanika Zumbre with cameraman Nirjari Punkar reporting from Prabhat Kids Day Boarding School, Akola for Prabhat News.
We are in Prabhat Kids School near the Meads. Here, they have started a project on spreading general awareness on conservation of water.
As we know that nowadays there is much scarcity of water, therefore it is very important to spread awareness for conserving water. Students play a very significant role in spreading awareness. So, the Prabhat Kids School, Akola has already started a project on spreading awareness on water conservation. The initiative was taken by the director of school, Mr. Gajanan Nare, and life skill department of school. We came to conclusion that water is the most essential amenity that we should take care, and therefore students are playing a very vital and a good role in this project. Prabhat team togetherly contribute in this project and consider it of great importance. They have conducted various life skill activities to enhance students and make them aware of shortage of water. They have pasted boards near hand wash areas through which they have tried to convey the message of safe water.
This is Janvi with camera person Khushi reporting from Prabhat Day Boarding School, Akola for Prabhat News.
People spend a lot of money for filtration of water, but filtration of water can also be done naturally. This process is used in Prabhat Kids Day Boarding School, Akola. In this process, the wastewater from ROs is passed through a pipe having iron nets and steps every 15 feet, and the floor is made in a way so that all the water gets filtered. This water further gets stored in a tank for further use. A lot of water is saved in this process. Save water, save life. This is Isha Kode with camera person Akansha Salpikar reporting from Prabhat Kids Day Boarding School for Prabhat News.
Water scarcity is the major problem faced by people during the scorching summers. The school has implemented the amazing idea to conserve water, which is rainwater harvesting. Now let's talk about it with Deshmukh sir.
रेन हार्वेस्टिंग पाण्याची पातळी वाढवणे. ही जी पाईपलाईन दिसते तुम्हाला सेकंड फर्स्ट आणि थर्ड त्या फ्लोअरचं सगळं पाणी आपण या पाईपलाईनद्वारे एका ठिकाणी खाली हे करतो आपण. त्याच्यामुळे पाण्याची लेवल आपली पातळते. हे जे पेवर दिसतात हे पण एक पाण्याचे रेन हार्वेस्टिंगचा हा प्रकार आहे. आणि इथे पाणी मुरते, हे पाणी हे पाणी मुरते त्याच्यामुळे पाण्याची लेवल वाढते.
Rainwater harvesting is done in some different way in this school. This is Tanisha with cameraman Deep reporting from Prabhat Day Boarding for Prabhat News.
Nowadays, scarcity of water is increasing. So, to deal with this issue, Amir Khan has started a water conserving foundation known as Pani Foundation, and Prabhat Kids School has joined in with them to help them. People participated were from DSO office, collector of Akola, and sports teachers, conductors, drivers, tais, bhaus of Prabhat Kids School. 1.5 lakh man-hours were spent in this project. The methods they used for water conservation were hurdles and barricades on the hilly areas. They also dug pits so that they could store water and use it. They did really a great work for others selflessly. This is Gayatri Mishra reporting with camera person Akanksha Karade from Prabhat Kids School Day Boarding, Akola for Prabhat News.